Friends, kids, bachon, this is Ishwaran, and I've been there in this ITJ preparation for a long, long time, not 1 or 2 years, almost 2 decades I'm in. And each time when I go inside the class, the preparation is as good as if like it is my first class. So many of the kids might have given the examination. Any of you can raise hand. Those who have given the examination this year, around 2 or 3 days back, can raise hand. Okay. Yeah, some people raise hand. Okay. Okay. Good. 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 Abhinav is there. Satyam is there. Oh, that's great. That's great. So Satyam given exam, Omkar given exam, Abhinav given exam, Tejas given exam, Swaroop, Jayanti. Oh, fine, fine. And many of you must have given. Maybe they are feeling shy. I understand it. So any of you can like see again. I'm telling you here. If you take this like interaction as an interaction, it will be good. But if at all you want this as your entire year went one-sided, somebody is teaching similarly, and you are there at your home, truly yours. So any of you want to answer like how the exam went? Enough you can interact how the exam went. कैसा गया एग्जाम? अच्छा था, ठीक था, बुरा था? Any reasons you have? There's a topic, right? Fine. So just to share one thing with all of you, this like Corona time has done many good things and many bad things. Good things are like we have become close to our family after a long, long time, right? And bad things, we stopped reciprocating, right? If at all somebody asked whether like it is even like at your classroom, not to me, you are seeing for the first time. So even your teacher, which you've been studying for a long, long time, somebody asked, fine. So some of you must have like 1 or 2 students giving me a private message that, sir, we were not prepared. Anyone tell what is a preparation? Anyone can tell what is a preparation? Preparation, you know what is a preparation? See, always take small example. Preparation is something when I'm coming to this particular meeting, not only above shirt, even below I should have pant. That is preparation. Preparation is full. Preparation is never half. It is not for others. It is not like what is being shown only I'll prepare. Okay, I'm going to see my face. People are going to see my see my spectacles. I should be clean shaved. Shirt is there. Anyhow, pant is not there. I can wear a half. No, I have a full pant. That is preparation. When you talk about preparations are never half. Preparations are never for others. How you prepare for ITJ? I prepared well. You ask yourself whether we prepared or not. So that is purely on you. That is purely on you. I can't say that how you people prepared because you people know your concepts better than me. So fine. So thinking that all of you are prepared full, right? So here like one thing, the topic is what we have taken is you might have wondered the 99, all the 99 reasons we can't discuss here. One thing I want to say that today, whatever the interaction is, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, half an hour, 40 minutes, I don't know. For this, I have content in my mind, but the preparation and the content depends upon your interaction. Again, I'm telling you, because I've been a teacher, I've been coaching and mentoring students for a long, long time, not for 1 or 2 years, 20 years. So if like question comes, definitely question se question banta hai. So do interact, do ask question, you can DM. I'll be taking my session as per your questions. That's a surety, right? It is not that something I prepared, I'll come, vomit and go back. It's not going to help you out. Fine. So when you talk about any examination, when you talk about any like starting, see, you need not be a great person to start. If at all you want to be great, you have to start. Starting is required. First I'll be something, then I want to do something good, it is not going to help you out. First you have to start doing it, then slowly and slowly you'll feel that things are changing. It is the exam you have written, it is not your last 1 year or a 6-month preparation, it is for the last 2 years. If any of you is blaming Corona, it is wrong. Because Corona is there only for the last 12 months. right? Whereas your examination, you've been preparing for the last 24 months. Last April you started, and this time it is almost March. Yes, exactly 24 months. So please make sure whenever we say we want to start, don't see that what was there before, what we did, right? See, there are few things I want to discuss here before starting the main. And please DM me if at all you want to take my session to some other way. Any questions other you can always ask. One is always you people focus on the contribution, not on the reward. Always your focus should be on the contribution. Suppose you want to give examination. Suppose you want to give examination, right? You give examination for what? You give exam for great marks. You give exam for great rank. You give exam for, if I get mark, somebody will see me and say, yeah, he is IIT JEE person. Yeah, he has cracked IIT rank 1, rank 2. We give exam for that. We don't give exam for what we prepared for. We don't see the contribution. We see only the outcome. Contribution and outcome का the best example is in, because India में तीन चीजें बहुत चलती है. One is cricket, right? Second is movies. Third is fog. I am not discussing. Anyhow, cricket I talk about. Virat Kohli is the best example here. Is the best example. He will get various reward he got, not for, he didn't want the outcome. He want to perform well. The moment he performs well and team wins, avoid an outcome. Make sure your result is an outcome. वो है ना हिंदी में, there is a way, सफर खूबसूरत हो मंजिल से भी. Your journey should be beautiful. Destination ought to be good if journey is good. If journey itself is bad, you are studying, you are crying, you're not able to understand it, you are like banging your head opposite, you are stressed. See, in a bad phase, whatever you do in a bad phase, it is never going to give you great result. It is never going to be you get great result. It's not possible that the entire 2 year was hell and the result is good. Not possible. Maybe in the beginning you have some resistance, right? Contribution. What was your contribution, right? So always focus on your contribution, not on the outcome, is the first lesson to start off with. Focus on your contribution, right? Second, which I always believe in, is attitude. What I told that like the wearing shirt up and wearing a half pant down and sitting in front of you shows my attitude of preparedness. How much I am prepared, right? Whether I'm prepared or not. Because I am going there, because somebody pushed me inside the examination hall. I am going inside the examination hall and sitting, writing the examination hall means I'm talking about your entire 2 year of IIT JEE journey. This 2 year of IIT JEE journey for me is an entire examination, not one day. Don't judge yourself by only for that 3 hour or 6 hour, whether like you are writing mains or advance. I am saying your entire journey of 2 years, maybe because of somebody pushed you in. Okay, you came, maybe your father, maybe your mother, laat mari ki ke chal andar. You have to be an IIT and you have to be an engineer. You are born in majority of the students are southern part of India. So you are in southern part of, you have to be engineer. Otherwise your resume gone, you can't get married. True. Right. Engineer banna hi hai. Doctor banna hi hai. These are the two ways. Okay, you are in the rat race. Maybe it's a bad name. You are in the rat race. Okay, you are in. You have chosen or somebody forced you, you are in. After that, what is your attitude? See, you must have heard because one of the students have given that I have prepared well, but still I'm not able to. Again, that preparedness I'm coming for. See, there is something called talent. There is something called attitude. All of you are there? There is something called talent. There is something called attitude, right? What happens with us in our general life? Maybe out of you, there are few names which are there in front of me. Maybe like Niteshri is there, or even Omkar is there, or Kaushal is there, or Pratyusha is there. Maybe like many are there, right? Maybe some of you are really talented. I don't know because you're on that side. I never saw you. Maybe you're really talented. So what happens? Because you have talent, in the beginning stages of life, you are able to solve your problems. Because of your talent, in the beginning stage of a life, you are able to solve your problems. Talent solves half of your problems. Talent solves majority of your problems, right? But suddenly life starts giving you some tough questions. कहते हैं ना गुगली आती है. Some like Google is there, some like Bouncer is there, some questions you don't understand. That time, those things are slightly above your talent, slightly above your talent. Their attitude matters. There, आपका talent गया तेल लेने. It is there in the side. You cannot survive only with talent. Along with talent, if you don't have attitude, you're gone. Majority of the student I have seen, they have huge talent. Maybe some of you may say, sir, that like student is very good, but like he didn't score well, or I am a very good student, I know everything, I'm not able to score well in the examination hall. Attitude, nothing else. Only attitude matters. Only attitude matters. The best example of talent and attitude, had it been the classroom, all of you will be sitting, interaction will be huge. So I love you people, please interact if you can show you. Fine, it's totally up to you. But interaction zyada acha hoga, maza aata hai. Fine. The one thing I'll say, the talent and attitude, the best combination I have seen in my life is two people, two friends came on the same, entered Indian team on the same day, same time, around, with great records. One was Sachin Tendulkar, other was Vinod Kambli. One was Sachin Tendulkar, other was Vinod Kambli. Both were equally talented, equally talented. In fact, if you say, as per it is on my personal thing, because I've seen the past record, the way Vinod Kambli played in the beginning of his life, the fastest 1,000 runs in test till now in his name, till now, record in 11 tests. I think I remember. Yeah. In 11 tests, he scored the first 1,000 runs. Whereas the first century, he scored 2 double centuries in the beginning. Whereas to attain century, Sachin took time. So when you talk about talent, who was more talented? Who was more talented? Your Kambli in the beginning was more talented. But you see the way Kambli entered, I'm not against anyone. You see the way Kambli entered. You can see, I have my own opinion. It's my own personal opinion. You see the way he came after 2 years, उस side में कान में बाली start हो गई, side में style start हो गया. I'm not saying those are, attitude is not what you wear or how you show yourself. It is born within. It is born within. Attitude is as good as the lion is the king of the entire jungle, not because of his face, because of his attitude. The biggest animal is elephant. Sorry, like the strength. In strength, the biggest is elephant. Tallest is giraffe, right? Fastest maybe leopard. But who's the king? Lion. Why? Attitude. When an elephant and lion come opposite to each other, elephant will see the lion and feel, this is my thinking, feel, it is it eats, yeah. It eats other people, yeah. It's waste. It eats all the human being, all the, like carnivorous kind of, right? Whereas when the lion see the elephant, only one, food, I want to eat. Attitude difference. It is within, it's born. So make sure attitude can be made in life over practice. It is how much seriously you are looking for that one particular thing. So please take. So first is, I told you, you have to focus on the process, not in the outcome, your contribution, not in the outcome. That is one. Second is, when you talk about attitude versus talent, talent is important, required. But about talent, if some cherry is there, that is only attitude. Without attitude, talent will stop giving you answers. Talent won't give you answers if you don't have a proper attitude. So any of you, if you people prepared, and maybe I'm hard, I'm blunt on face, if you're prepared really well in the examination hall, outside the exam hall, and you people went inside, right? There are two reasons. In that, one of the reason is attitude. Second, we'll discuss. One of the reason is attitude. Pure attitude. Aata hai hame to. We know. We know can be in any way. It's not that paper is easy. I know physics is going to be tough. Yeah, I don't touch physics. Physics was easiest. I know I can do math. Yeah. I know chemistry I can finish in 40 minutes. But in inorganic chemistry, you're stuck. Double answers you are getting. Attitude. The respect you people give to this question, I'm telling you, questions start talking to you, it gives the same respect to you. Same respect. Give and take policy. If you people show your attitude toward the question is going to show bloody the biggest attitude to you. Take care of that. So attitude, very important. Talent important, यार. वो तो होना चाहिए यार. Talent नहीं है, you can't even start. I am talking about those students who had talent, who went inside the examination hall, but when they came out, they are not happy thinking that I would have done more. Attitude. Only attitude. Right? Please take care of that. Right? Third, which is most and most important. First was focus on the process, not on the outcome. Second is take care of the attitude. ये दोनों हो गया? Right? Third, the most important is practice. Practice. Practice, 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 practice. Like you have that movie, na, entertainment, right? Same way you have only one mantra of doing JEE. Practice, practice, practice. There is no other go. There is absolutely no other go. It's only practice. See, sometimes when I do, because I've been taking, like I told, JEE mathematics for a long time, when I'm taking the question aata, tak, 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 I write the answer. And all the kids will think, Arey, yaar, hota kya hai ki kids will get complex. Arey, some is so easy, I'm not able. Arey, that bloody person is doing for the last 20 years practice. How you can do in 1 minute? He is doing it. Entire JEE paper this time came, I solved in 35 minutes. It is a speed I should have, if at all you people have to cover in 1 hour. Again, I'm telling, this is my calculation. Being in this industry for a long time, I know how the paper. If I am taking around 50 minutes, you can't do that paper in 1 hour. Sure, guarantee. Practice. So I have practiced that. Same concept I've been learning for a long, long time. Practice. Practice is not only this, like there are like numerous examples. It means there are thousands of examples in history for practice, right? Two small incidents I'll take here. Like all of you must have, because I have seen many students coming and saying that, sir, you are doing the sum very fast. Can you teach me how to do fast? This I relate to one incident that happened with one of the very famous painter by the name of Pablo Picasso. Have you heard of that? Picasso, right? Picasso is one of the painters of his time. Now also is one of the best, right? Many of the famous paintings are there, which are till now one of the best paintings of the like entire era of, or like that type of community. Highly respected man. So it so happened, it's a true story. Pablo Picasso was standing and one of the lady was there and who came to Pablo Picasso and say that, sir, can you like draw something on this paper for me? So like Picasso saw, because his one painting will sell for crores. So he'll say, okay, you want me to? Okay. So he took that and like an autograph, he did something in 30 seconds. How much? 30 seconds. True story. 30 seconds. And then proudly he said, take this. This is a painting for $5 billion. That a lady told, this painting for $5 billion. Yeah, it's for $5 billion. And then he turned. That lady couldn't believe. 30 seconds. And then she went to some other place for selling it in one more exhibition after some days, right? And when she gave that painting to somebody to just check what the cost is, and he said, yes, I can pay you $6 billion for that. He said 5. She was getting $6 billion. Then she was shocked. A person can do something in 30 seconds. She said that I want to meet Picasso once again. So again, many days of hard work, she was able to see Picasso in some other exhibition. Then she went, sir, I am the same lady. Picasso just saw. Yes. Aapko yaad hai, I came to you and you drew something and you said, yeah, I remember. So you sold that? No, actually it is for 6 billions. Yeah, I know. Sir, how you draw in 30 seconds 6 billions? Can you teach me how to draw in 30 seconds 6 billion worth of painting? That Picasso just smiled. He said, what I drew in 30 seconds is the outcome of what I did in 30 years. And you want to learn in 1 second? Not possible. Practice. Come to me, I'll teach, but practice. Practice. Without practice, you can't get it. Right? Why to go outside here? Why to go outside? In our own country, there was the hockey player by the name of Major Dhyan Chand. All of you must have heard of. The Major Dhyan Chand, the hockey like magician, well, the ball will come and stick it to his like the stick. And even it was checked whether there's some like magnet is there or not. Magnet was not there in that particular hockey stick. There was a practice. right? So it was one fine Olympic incident, one fine Olympic, half time over, and the guy is not able to put a goal. Dhyan Chand was not putting goal. Everybody saw, yeah, so much happened. Why the goal is not happening? Then he said, do one thing, just check the length of the goalpost. Arey, it's Olympic, yaar. Check. They checked. The true story. The goalpost was 2 feet less. When you're doing a question, you're not able to get the answer, and you know it, the answer is this, maybe something wrong in the question. This is what is concept. And actually, the goalpost was 2 feet less. Practice. Practice gives you confidence. Confidence के साथ, I am having lot of confidence. आज मैं पेपर को फाड़ दूंगा is not going to give you paper फाड़ना यार. You have to practice before, that automatically give you confidence. When you have confidence, attitude should be good. Confidence will come because of your own practice. So focus on the process. Attitude should be good and practice more. These three things are very important for doing any examination, So there now, like March 15, you people have your examination, right? And then even April also in the like 23 again exam is there. So my humble request to all of you, practice more. Whatever you have done the last 2 years, I have seen many students saying, sir, I want to start something new. You can do that slightly, you can do that, but you can't depend on that. You have to practice it more, practice it more, practice it more. So as much as practice you people do it, please. More practice required, otherwise you cannot win it, right? Please take care of that, right? So here, I will give you 5 basic things that you people required in the next 2 months. The month of March, April, May, June are important for any one of us. It is really important because in this month only maximum tension will be there. Even like the parent will be feeling it is like almost an examination time. Sleepless nights, right? Sleepless nights will be there. They are not able to like concentrate well. Some people must have studied, some people wouldn't have studied, some people must have practiced, some people wouldn't have practiced. These 3 months, I'm giving you only 5 steps which I usually follow whenever anything is happening. I'm not going to tell you anything that I don't follow. These 5 steps before any major thing happening, I'll follow, right? First and foremost thing that I want to tell you people is the right time to study. Different people have different ways of studying, right? Some people do late night. Some people, you must have done overnight. You must be doing late night. Some people study in their bedroom. Some people study inside the bathroom. Some people study on the like dining table. Some people study on the sofa. Some people study early in the morning. First is posture. I'm not talking about. I'm talking about the time. First and foremost thing, I want all of you that the time that people do, right? Studies in this, please follow me. You'll get some great results. Morning 4:30 to 7:30. Early morning. For that, you can say, sir, how I'll wake up at 4:30, sleep at 2:30, bloody sleep at 10. That's what I'm saying. This 2 months, just you check for 7 days. 7 दिन try करके देखो. You just check for 7 days and check how great result is going to give you. Tomorrow itself, today, suppose you're starting, you just sleep at night 10 o'clock, wake up morning at 2:30. It is not only I. Famous people right from Akshay Kumar to Steve Jobs. Range of people, not only Indians from outside. 4:30 to 7:30, they wake up early in the morning. They wake up early, very early in the morning. Morning 4:30 to 7:30, that time in our language in India, call it.
मुझे पता है.
हाँ बेटा पता है, ठीक है, म्यूट हो जाओ. Fine. That time is called Brahma Muhurat. Brahma Muhurtam also we call in like Sanskrit in southern part of India, we call it, right? We call it Brahma Muhurat. That time, even you say early morning ka azan lagana ya early morning mein kisi mandir mein, in any temple something is happening. Why early morning? Early morning time, that 3, it is multiplied by 3 effect. If you study from 4:30 to 7:30, the effect is more than studying 3 hours now into 3, 9 hours in daytime. 9 hours in daytime. But for that you have to sleep. You can't study till 2:30 again wake up 4:30. Is not going to help out. You take around 5 to 6 hours of sleep. 6 hours enough at this time. 5 hours also if you people have practiced. For me 5.5 more. So night, suppose around 10:30 or 11 you are sleeping, you can wake up by 4:30 or 5. 4:30 to 7:30, 5 to 8, up to you how do you want to do. But between 4:30, 7:30 or 5 to 8, this 3 hours. Concentrate and study. I'm telling you, it is going to be in your brain for a longer period of time. Right? If at all you want to write it down, the first mantra I'm giving you, the last so many years, I've seen people doing that. I've seen results from there. Either if any of my student was in rank 1 or he was in rank 5 or rank 7 or rank 10, I've seen, see, some are brilliant student, they don't even study, they get the marks. I think you must have experience. Some people study, then also they don't get the marks. I am talking an average. What time is good? Not good students or average or low motivated. Bad to koi student hota nahi hai. Highly motivated, lowly motivated, right? Morning 4:30, 7:30 or 5 to 8 time. 3 hours of Brahma Muhurat, please do it. First mantra, right? Second mantra. First is when to study, I told you. How to study, okay? In the first one I tell, please sit down here. Bruce Lee ki tarah baitho. If you have seen Bruce Lee sitting, always like this. Right? It should not be like aise karke baithe hain. No. Start. So early morning, if you wake up, it will happen, right? That is first. Second, stay healthy. These 3 months, the month of February over, March, April, May, right? June bhi hai. These 3 months, make sure that say no to junk food. I'm not against it. I eat everything here. I take burger, pizza, anything, whatever junk food is coming, take. I'm saying stay healthy. Don't take junk foods only for 3 months. For 3 months, don't take junk foods, because aapka jo like body style is there, that is going to change a lot. You're not going to get a lot of immunity like things, which is like evident because of corona. We are back to our olden days. I think all of you must be watching that. So please make sure our food, whatever food at home you are doing, please do only for 3 months. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कह रहा, जिंदगी भर, full life I'm not saying, I'm saying only for this 3 months. Take care that you people do that. Don't take any junk food. That is first thing, right? Second, take a lot of water. Take a lot of water. First is don't take junk food. Second is take a lot of water. Pani, you keep yourself hydrated. Jitna pani pee sakte ho beta, utna pani piyo. The more you drink, nothing wrong. You will go 10 times bathroom. That's it. You keep yourself hydrated. 99% all the things, bad things will come out, right? That is second. Third is every day, come se come 20 minutes to 30 minutes, right? Do some, I'm not asking you to do many big exercises. Some body work. You can go for walking, you can stall around, you can do some like yoga, something, because in the entire body, you're using only one part of body, that is brain. Brain is only one part of, there are so many organs, only one part, that is only you're using. You're sitting at a place, eyes you're using and brain you're using, tuck, not going to help out. So remaining body parts should sync with that. For that, you have to give some work to it, right? So please make sure that you, first is you don't take junk food. Second is you take a lot of water. Third is do some exercise, something, anything you like. Want to play shuttlecock for 15-20 minutes, do that and go ahead, right? So first was right time to study. I told you early morning should be there in your culture. Second is stay healthy, no junk foods, water more and exercise for some time, right? Third, which is very important, 99% of all of us, 99%, we can't sit for a long time. That means we sit with a book, we study, after 1 hour, it happens to all of us. To all of us it happens. So don't sit just because father is standing, mother is standing, or your sister or sir or uncle or aunt or dada, dadi, nana, pedanana. I'm not talking about all of them, right? I'm saying that you don't study for them. You, because of them, you are sitting on your foot for almost 5 hours. That means 5 hours you just said you didn't study. And after that, you are taking 3-hour break. Don't study for a long time and take a long break. No. Study for a short time and take short break. You can take 1:3 ratio, to be very frank. If you can study only for 1 hour, 1:3 ratio, you can take 20 minutes break. If you're studying for 3 hours, you can take 1 hour break. Depends upon your appetite, right? And during that break, many of us now we are studying on gadgets, right? Break. I think if like any of the parent is there, if like the class is happening, morning to evening class happened, and after the class, like the kid comes to the mother and says, "Amma, I want to play some game." Mama say, what mother thinks? She's studying from morning now, let her brain be free. Make sure studying in a gadget is a brain work. At the same time, playing game is also a brain work. Brain is already tired. So you should not give game brain work. You should give game body work. They can go outside. I'm not saying they should not play gadgets. Let them play, but have some break. They are into gadgets almost for 3 hours. Again, they are in TV watching क्योंकि सांस भी कहीं बहुत ही. Again, they are into some other PUBG. Again, I'm not against. I play all. But I'm saying give your brain some rest. Don't even play chess. It's a brain work. After studying in gadget, please don't even play chess. It's a brain work. It's a survey. Give some body work. After playing chess or after studying in your like comp or gadget, you can just take a stroll around, play some shuttlecock, play some table tennis, whatever, or take stroll. घूम के आ जाओ यहाँ से लेकर kitchen तक 10 times. Nothing wrong if you don't want to go outside. So make sure that take breaks. In that break, you should not do any of the brain work. Are you there? Right? Again, I'll repeat. First is right time to study early morning. Second, I say stay fit. Third, I'm telling take small breaks in 1:3 ratio. Studying for 1 hour, 20 minutes break. Studying for 3 hours, 1 hour break. Right? 1:3 ratio. Please do that. The fourth point. See, how to tell? If I start telling that, you people will say, "See, to dobara start ho gaya yaar." I'm not asking you to stay away from social media. I am not asking you to stay away from WhatsApp. These are all distractions. Distraction means, you see, when again, like I take example cricket. When the cricket they are playing, opposite them there'll be a black color of wall. That wall they'll keep on changing here and there based on the ball color. Concentration. Distraction should not be there. It's not that they can't play more. So please make sure these 3 months, right? You keep yourself as away as possible from social media. Doesn't mean mobile. You can suppose you are coming in Zoom, you are doing some sessions, you are taking some classes, nothing wrong. I'm saying social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, right? Only for 3 months for yourself, for this 3 months. If at all you don't want to, up to you, your life. I cannot do anything, but this is what I feel, because the reason is one small thing here, one small thing. You please see, now I am asking, and suppose like here Abhishek is there or Ashish is there, right? If I ask, or like even Kushal is there, or like even like Jairaj sir is there, if I ask any one of you to speak on a topic for 2 minutes now, what you will say? Sir, give me 2 minutes, sir. Because you want to stay away from all the distractions, you want to prepare and come back. Are you there? Are you there? If I ask you to speak on any of the topic for 2 minutes now, definitely bloody you'll take a break. Sir, I'll just take a stall and come back. I'll prepare something. Why take a stall? You want to keep yourself away from the society. Why society? Brain start working. So even suppose now I'm giving this session, to very frank, I came to this particular studio almost 45 to 1 hour before, and I kept all my mobiles separate. I just want to concentrate what I want to talk to you. It's not preparation, it is getting preparedness. I was telling now preparedness. What is preparedness? No distraction. I'm telling you, if you just you try for 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 days you try without social media, maybe 3 or 4 days, maybe you people feel pain, right? You see that your brain power will increase. Whatever you get in will come out instantly. But because brain is having so much of information storage, na hard disk goes gone. One is your studies, other is social media likes. What do you do? What do you do? You can't live without social media in life, because that is what the world is going for. Maybe some other way social media may erupt, but entirely deleting it now, as on now, seems impossible. But I'm not asking you to stay away from it. I'm saying keep away from it for next 2 to 3 months. Or if at all you can reduce it. Actually, for me, should not be there. You can tell that I'm going away from this, right? So first was right time to study. Second was stay fit. Third was take small breaks. Fourth is no to TV, no to social media, etc. TV, if at all you feel that you want to watch it for half an hour, 45 minutes, still I say okay, but that is also not advisable. Up to you. कितना आप रोक सकते हो, how much you can will be advantageable you, right? So these are the 4 things. Last but not the least, that is 5th and very important for this particular session. Don't take the examinations and life so seriously. इतना serious ना लें इसको यार. Give it a chill यार. Take a chill pill. Because I have seen that whatever thing you go behind and catch doesn't come to you. You just focus karo. Don't run out, don't crave for it. Focus karo. वो है ना बाबा रणछोड़ दास, सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सेलेंस के पीछे भागो, सक्सेस झक मार के आएगी. That dialogue is there, right? In Three Idiots. Don't go after success, go after excellence. If you go after excellence, success will come on its own. So these are the basic 5 things I want to discuss. One was when to study. Second is your health. Third is small breaks. Fourth is social media. Fifth is stress-free atmosphere. Stress-free. I request all the parents who are present. Already these people are in stress. Don't give more stress. They'll study on their own, right? So now the forum is open. Questions. Anybody want to ask anything? They can open their mic and ask. I'll be more than open to give the answers. Anyone, anything, anyone want to share their experience in the examination hall is going to help out. Yeah, one of the question came in private that, sir, what to study in the coming 15 days or 1 month, because depends upon when you're going to give the exam. Okay, fine. See, examination strategy, when I talk about how to give the exam, right? All of you give answer on your own. You take in your brain, because anyhow you're not responding. You take on you, or if at all you want to share with me in my DM, you can always do that. Privately you can message, or publicly you can message. First is, how many sections this ITJ paper has? 3?
4.
Sections. Subject sections.
2 sections. 3, sir.
3? No, it is only 1. First of all, take it out that they are asking question from mathematics, physics and chemistry. Take care. It is not math, physics, chemistry. It is 90 questions given to you. Even if you attempt only mathematics and chemistry, nobody is going to ask you even a single question why you didn't attempt physics. It is not advanced exam. Are you getting me? Strategy. I have seen good students know everything, but inside, because I told you, there are 2 things inside the examination hall. One is the attitude, and second, I told I'll talk. Second is strategy. How to attack the question, how to attack the paper. If you know what the concept is, but you don't know how to attack it, it's same as you know where is accelerator, where is brake, and where is clutch in car, but you don't know how to drive. Your knowledge is there, but application is not there. Make sure strategy is so important. Right? Make sure that first of all, dimag se nikal do, it is math, physics, chemistry. From your, it is human who divided. Division is always humans' problem. They divide Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and mathematics, physics, chemistry. It is class 11, 12 portion. 90 question he's asking. Obvious, earlier 75, now 90, because options are there, right? So first is, it is 90 question. You have to attempt any minimum, any 50 to get 200. Any 50. In that, maybe one entire section of 30 questions you leave. Doesn't make a difference. Entire question of 30 you leave. Nothing wrong. But you wanted entire 50 questions in your kitty. Right? That is first strategy. Don't think that it is. Never ever think that it is 90 question paper. It is only how much? It's not 30, 30, 30. It is entire 90 paper, one single question paper. The names mathematics, physics, chemistry is just like that they have put so that to fool you. Because you know what you do? The moment you go inside the hall, you say physics will be tough. Because you already started casteism. It is fair, it is black, it is Hindu, it is Muslim, it is man, it is physics. Like that you're dividing. Because in every section, this year also, many of the students who feel that like the examination is going to be tough, like physics will be tough. Easiest. In every paper, either is mathematics, physics, chemistry, there will be 9 to 11, average 10 questions, which any bloody buddy can do. You know what we do? Our excitement. We are excited. Gone. Everything we spoil. We go inside as if it's a war zone. Don't do that, yaar. There is a question, answer it, cool, chill pill. Chill pill, practice more, be confident. Practice more, be confident. So, first exam we are given, one more question has come. How to control exam fear before entering into the hall. See, Ashish, right? Ashish, one small thing I want to tell you here. Examination fear, right? It is there only when practice is less. Again, I'm telling you. See, what is fear? Lack of confidence. What is confidence? More practice. So in this coming 40 days, suppose April examination, you are giving seriously. For me, if you give April exam, excellent, because March is already after 3 days going to start, in the like Monday will start. For me, what you people can do, you can take 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and last year 2020. There'll be around 40 papers will be there. Each day do one paper. Practice, practice. Do the first paper. Reverse start karo. 2020 ka first paper, first session. Because online na, morning session, evening session, morning, like that will be 8 papers. 6 to 8 papers depending upon the year. You start with the first paper, right? If you have a group, all of you can do together. Separate places at the same time, 9 to 12, right? So do that particular paper, and after that, check where you made the mistake. How to attack the paper, I'll discuss. Where you made the mistake. Suppose you people have made some mistake, understand the mistakes, correct it, go for the second attempt. Next paper. Then understand it. See what we do without thinking, practice, nothing is going to happen. Practice, correction. Practice, correction. Practice, correction. That is how even in biggest of wars have been won. Either has been Alexander, or has been Porus, or has been Chandragupta. They do a fight, they understand the fight, re-strategize, second fight win, third, one after another war they won. And so make sure this will only come because of your only practice. Otherwise, nobody in the whole world can give you confidence that exam fear will be there till the time practice is not good. Any of you, if parents are there, if people are, if like you are listening to me, if your ward is saying that they have examination fear, it is only because of lack of practice and your hand on their head. You practice, I'm there. You practice, I'm there. If teachers are there, you practice, I'm there. Practice, corrected, practice, corrected, practice, corrected. And the way to attack paper, is there like anybody here who feels that after coming out of the examination hall, they feel, array yaar, this question was easy, I didn't do. Did you feel? Like the question was very easy. Ah, yes, Omkar says that. Thank you, Omkar. Even Abhinay said that. Thank you. Even Ashish, yes, I understand it. Because this, even we do that. Because we say, array yaar, ye question to aata tha, why I didn't do? Then you start cursing you. You know why? You know reason why? Because you don't see the entire paper with full breadth. Entire paper you don't see in full breadth. How it should be, it is my strategy, you can change my strategy. I don't have any issues. I'm just giving you one pattern. That pattern you follow. How it is, I am taking subject-wise name. You want to change it, but I have a very strong belief that gives result. First, when you go in the examination hall and you go inside the hall and sit 15 minutes before you should go. All of you, 15 minutes minimum. You may go for half an hour before, 15 minutes before you should go and sit. Even if you are writing in your own home or in your institute, you should go in the hall 15 minutes before, sit inside, right? It works. And like Shah Rukh Khan feels na, aise karke haath, feel that is your area. You are going to do a war here. So you see what is there around. See, body reciprocates. We don't see that. So see, okay, this is the comp and this is the area. Here I'll keep my paper. Here I'll keep my pen. My pencils are here. So something happens, suddenly we are searching our pen. So you take area, that 15 minutes over, right? Okay, this side, like your psychological, that is one. Second is when the paper starts, right? This I do, you can change it. First 40 to 45 minutes, I will hit chemistry. First 40 to 45 minutes, I'll hit chemistry. If you start practicing now, if you start the practice, right? What you can do now in your home also, you start with chemistry with 0 errors. Because majority of the error comes from inorganic part. right? I'm not saying organic and physical are easy, majority where confusion happens, right? So what you people can do, try to do more accuracy. Don't do mistakes. Maybe you do only 10, 12, 15. So first practice day, you're doing 10 questions. Next, try to do 11. Third, 12. So in the first 45 minutes, your aim is to reach as close as possible to 20 questions. I'm not saying 25. To 20 questions in chemistry in the first 45 minutes is possible. I have seen people doing that. Practice for the first 40 minutes only chemistry, right? After 45 minutes, stop. Don't say I haven't seen. That means in that 45 minutes, you see the entire chemistry paper and take out the best that you do without mistake. Then after that, second 45 minutes, you can do mathematics. This is the way I do, right? Second 45 minutes. So in that 45 minutes, again, I see the entire paper and I do all the doable questions. Third 45 minutes, I'll do the physics, third paper. You can change the order, up to you. So in 3:45 minutes, you have seen the entire paper. You might have left some questions by saying that I'll do it afterwards. I'm saying that you see the entire paper and take math. That means you've gone through all the questions in 2 hours and 15 minutes. Are you there? Are you there? You can finish in 2 hours and 15 minutes. Then maybe 2 hours 15 minutes happens 2 hours 30 minutes because I love mathematics more, you love physics more. Rather than 45 minutes, you gave 1 hour. Nothing wrong, right? Remaining 45 minutes to half an hour to 45 minutes. Now you know the entire paper. You take only those questions which you feel you can do. Then this question of, arey yaar, this question I should have done, wo nahi aayega. Reason is, you haven't studied the question properly inside the examination hall. Have a strategy how to study this question paper in the examination hall. So this is 45, 45, 45, last 45, do whatever questions, not subject. Question, maybe all question from physics, maybe all from chemistry, maybe some from physics, some from math, depends upon, because you see in the paper. I'm telling you, you're not going to make a mistake. Zero mistake you'll do, right? So this strategy, if you follow, I'm telling you, it is going to give you great help. Great help, right? Anyone else who want to ask anything else? I am a student who is in class 11th right now. My problem is I am not good enough with my JEE syllabus of class 11th and 12th is yet to come. What more do you think I can do in the remaining 1 year so that I give a tough, competition to students who are performing well before the beginning of class 11? Fine. But just dhyan rakhna, never ever feel that your competition is with the person outside who's along with you. Aapka competition apne saath hai. Try to improve every day. Today I got out of 300, 100. Otherwise I getting 260. No problem. I get next exam I still get 120. Third exam I get 125. Then 130. Then 135. Then 150. There are numerous exams. At one point I'm telling you, beta, you'll reach 200. Okay, I'll come back to the question. So 11th class you didn't do well. Modesty be damned. I'm understanding it. At least you told that. So this is the first sign that you're understanding your problems. That is so good. Anyone who understands their own limitation will be God here. Apna limitation jaan gaye, wo Bhagwan hai. Fine. So one thing I want. Now 12th class already started. Can you answer? Has the 12th class started? Like Kushal? Okay. So Kushal said that 12th class started. Okay. 12th class started. So please make sure in your CBSE syllabus, if you are in CBSE, or if you are there in IP board of Andhra Pradesh, there are two different boards, right? IP board may slightly it will be difficult because half of the like your coordinate geometry is in first year, half the coordinate geometry in second year, half the calculus in first year, half the calculus in second year. Whereas in CBSE, entire coordinate geometry in first year and your entire calculus in second year. There's no half. So I'm thinking that whatever the topic you're studying in class 11th has got no connection in class 12th. I'm thinking that if there is no connection, don't cry on class 11th now. You start preparing for class 12th because you cannot eat from both the do thali se nahi kha paoge, right? If from two different plates you cannot eat at the same time, or you cannot have your legs on two different boats. So what you do, concentrate your school, concentrate your college, wherever you are being given like proper mentoring, follow your teachers, follow their schedule, but this time don't take it lightly. Corona is there outside, keeping us inside, but examination is public. So we are thinking that class is as if like Shah Rukh Khan is coming. No, class is reality here. It is going to impact your life. Full life. Corona to 1-2 saal mein chala jayega. Life is there. So make sure 12th class take seriously. I think wherever the college, if you're there in competitive track in any of the good college, you will be finishing your entire portion by September maximum, or maybe first week of October, right? After that, in the month of September, October, November, 2 months, please give entirely to class 11th. Right? Obvious, your campus also will do the revision program. Along with their revision program, you put more effort. Maybe if everybody is studying for 6 hours, you study for 8 hours. But this class 12th, you people please concentrate, and any integrated topic is there. Example, now if you're an IB board and you have done in 11th class straight lines and circles, I think in 12th class you have parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, right? So obvious, without understanding circle and conic section, you cannot understand parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. So please do extra effort you put and try to gain the knowledge from the beginning part of coordinate geometry. What is distance formula? What is like that? I'm just giving math example because I've been mentoring math. So wherever integrated topic is there with 11th and 12th, there you have to work now. Otherwise, if there is no link from the previous, your teacher is damn good. He's teaching well, you're understanding. In spite of being integrated, please go ahead. Don't look back. 12th class ko pura ek karke khao. 12th class pura finish karo. Uske baad 11th class karna. Is it fine? So revision program mein 2 months you give for 11th class, more than enough here. Because 12th class will give you half the knowledge. It's not that sir 11th class to 1 saal hota hai, how I do in 2 hours, sorry, 2 years. Your 10th class portion, now if I give you, you'll do within 1 month. Whereas in the last year you did almost for 1 year. Your 10th class, one year back. So when you grow, your speed increases. So that 11th class portion easily you can finish in 2 months properly if you concentrate. Slight hard work you have to put, right? So any other question? Thank you, Kushal. Thank you for responding. Anything else from anyone? Any damn topic you can ask here. So shall I call it a day? Right? Vamsi sir, shall we take it as an end?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. One more question has come. So Mr. Sainadin has given, I think I'm pronouncing correct. Sir, what is the last few days strategy before exam? Days means I am thinking that you're talking about couple of days, 2 days, 3 days, correct now? Couple of days. I'm not talking about 1 month. 1 month strategy I told, practice, no other way out. Suppose, yeah, okay, exactly. Thanks for responding. This is what I want first. So suppose your exam is on 15th, suppose, right? Today is 12th, right? Sorry, today is 13th. Make sure that 2 days before, 2 or 3 days before, you should not do any new topic. Any those kind of questions whose answers are not available in books. Maybe teachers are there. You can say, sir, I'll take any question, teacher will tell. Sometimes teacher first jate hain yaar. Sometimes even teacher, even be stuck. Some of the good questions, if I don't get, what happens? You take any new question and you go to the teacher, and maybe the question is wrong or some problem happened, and teacher slightly, he's not able to, he solved it, but you're not satisfied. That bloody one question will be there in your brain till the examination hall. So for me, if my exam is on 20th, 1 week before, 13th or 14th onwards, I am not going to take any new book. I am not going to take any new question, any new topic. I am not going to go to any new teacher. Are you there? Any new teacher. I will stick to my old teachers. I'm telling you, they know you from roots. From roots, so like whether you understand or not, whether you believe or not, because we are there as teachers. Maybe one student I know more than other, but I know both of them well. Maybe this very well, this well. So make sure 3 things: no new books, no new topics, no questions without answers, right? And last but not the least, no new teachers. Kuch naya mat karna. Just slightly. Don't take any topic that you don't know. right? So just take care, and if at all you want to make your brain free, just play for some time, yeah, daily. Nothing wrong. Evening 1 hour. You study. Keep on studying, but daily evening. And the last 5 days are the days where you should not eat ice cream. You should not take any outside food, because slight upset of stomach or slight fever, you're gone here. You're not in the best form. You should be in the best form when you write. Your body should be best. Brain will work. One more. This, sir, we have having IP exam on May 1st week. How can we manage time to practice March main attempt? Beta Raja, I am asking you to prepare for April. You are talking about March. See, if like like you signed, and thank you for saying thank you. Thank you for responding. Yeah. Here one small thing I'll say. Ashish. Yeah, April. Okay.
For April.
Yeah, beta, April. Okay, I understand. If at all you are giving April examination, right? First thing, make sure, take out from your mind, there is any difference between your CBSE and IIT mains. I am not talking about IIT advanced. There is no difference between IIT mains and CBSE in the concept level, right? So what you people can do, if at all you are not that much a motivated student, I'll take you in two different category. I don't know who you are. Suppose you are not that much a motivated student, you are an average or below average student who scores fine, who doesn't fail. Thoda thoda mark aata hai. So my request is, do only IIT mains ka 12th class topic in whichever pattern you are. In that, I think you will get half of your like your coordinate geometry, you get half of your like your calculus, integral calculus, entire you'll get. You practice that only. And some easy topics of 11th class. Example, statistics, mathematical reasoning, some trigonometry, quadratic equation, even sequence theory, which are easy to do. I think you're getting my point. But entire concentration should be there in 12th class topic. You please do your, that means you study from your IP book, whichever book you're following, Eschand or something, I don't know. You follow that, because I've been talking about old days. I don't know what is the new pattern now, right? You study that from your intermediate pattern book, you study. After that, take your ITJ book. Suppose today I'm studying integration, indifferent integration, I'm studying for IP pattern. I did. Then I take one assignment on ITJ, 120 questions on integration. Finish. Don't study more. I'm telling you, you'll get the answer. Don't take advanced questions, take mains questions. I'm telling you, if you people do proper your IP board or CBSE board, you will get minimum 180 to 190 in your ITJ exam. Properly, 11th and 12th class, right? Properly. Trust me, utna mushkil hai nahi. Haan, to get 300 by 300 is difficult here. For that, you should do more. For getting 180, 190, 200, ro rahe ho yaar. हल्का फुल्का पढ़ो, चिल करके पढ़ो यार, शान से पढ़ो. Do anything, do like a king, not like a pauper, right? So one more. Okay, sir. Yeah, fine. So Ashish, fine. So anything else from anyone? Already it is 1 hour and 10 minutes. Fine. So fine. You can take I think Mrs. Siddharth has shared the website address, as well as in that you have a like the question portal. You can always raise the question. I'll be answering you. Nothing wrong. But one small request I have, beta. Think always good. Acha socho yaar. Always think positive. Don't allow anyone who is telling you that you cannot do. Bloody stay away from them for the next 2 months. Right? You do. Trust yourself. Trust your efforts. Do honest efforts. Trust your efforts. अच्छा सोचोगे अच्छा होता है यार. If you think good, good thing happen only to good people. If you think bad, bad thing will happen. So we are what we think about ourselves. You think good for the next 1.5 months. Yes, I will do today. I may be this. I'll do more. I'll do more. I'll do more. I'll get marks. I'll do more. Let us see till when you have taken, right? So yeah, thank you, Manish, right? Thank you very much. Thank you all, and hope to see you in any other such interactive. Next time I feel it should be more interactive. मेरी कोई बोलता नहीं है यार, एक दो बच्चों को छोड़ के, right? क्लास का मजा नहीं आता जब बच्चे बोले नहीं यार, right? Take care. See you all. Bye bye.